Hello students. First up, hope you are doing well and also you are safe. I'm Farida Yasmin Shanta from Taura Azizur Rahman Secondary School with you. You know, due to COVID-19, our academic activities have been suspended for a time being, but fortunately our government has taken a step to take online classes. Now again I am here with you. I am going to teach you a grammar, that is changing sentence. You know, changing sentence are of two kinds. One is conversion of sentence and other is transformation of sentence. Both changing sentences are so important for expressing variety expression in writing English. Now we will look at the board. Conversion, at first conversion of sentence. Conversion of sentence means one sentence will be converted to another sentence. Here structure and meaning will be changed. Okay? And then transformation of sentence. But transformation in sentence means here grammatical form, that means grammatical structure only will be changed but not the meaning. Now we will see the example. Suppose affirmative, we will change the sentence affirmative sentence. I am a student. Now we will convert it into negative. Then here, that means in conversion of sentence, negative will take this kind of sentence, that is I am not well. I am not a student. Notice it. Affirmative, I am a student. Negative, I am not a student. That is, here structure has been changed and also meaning. But in transformation of sentence, we know that only structure, only figure will be changed, but not the meaning. Here we will again write affirmative. That is, we will affirmative sentence to, we will convert the affirmative sentence into negative. I am well. Negative, in negative sentence, I am not bad. Here notice it that affirmative I am well, but negative I am not bad. That means opposite word has been used here just to make it negative. I hope you have understood the difference between the conversion of sentence and transformation of sentence. Mainly we will learn today transformation of sentence. In transformation of sentence, we will learn today converting sentence from affirmative to negative. Affirmative sentence, I negative, in negative sentence, I am not inactive. Here, affirmative, I am active, as it is transformation of sentence. Affirmative, I am active. Negative, I am not inactive. In this sentence, that means in affirmative sentence, here is an adjective, but in negative, I have used an opposite word, that is inactive. Active, inactive. So we can see that in transformation of sentence, structure has been changed but not the meaning. Just like there are various kinds of sentences like these. Again, affirmative, he is present. And negative, it will take this kind of structure. He is not absent. Hope you have understood the meaning of transformation of sentence. Okay? Now we will see various kinds of rules on transformation of sentence. Sorry. Here, it can be seen that only, alone. It will follow none but, only for the person, nothing but, only for the thing. Affirmative, I can say a sentence, only he can do it. If we want to convert it negative, that will follow, or that will take only. Here, affirmative, only he can do it, only he can do it. Negative, none, but he can do it. So, only will take place, none but will take place of only. So we can say that if a sentence containing only, that will be used in none but. None but he can do it. Right? And number 2. Again, only. Here, affirmative. I have only a storybook. Here there is no person. So, we will use a negative sentence. I have nothing. I have nothing but a storybook. Have you understood? I think it is that. Another rule, must, it will take the place of cannot but. Again, we will go in affirmative sentence. I must obey the teachers. Here in negative, must will take place cannot but. Here in negative, I cannot but obey the teachers. Okay? That means must will be used in place of cannot but, or cannot but will be used instead of must. And then every. There is no. Again, affirmative, as we are learning just affirmative to negative. Every man like riches. Affirmative, negative, every will take place of there is no. So here every, there is no man, there is no man, but there is no man but likes riches. Right? Dear students, I hope you have caught me very easily, and at home, of course, you will do exercises from your textbook, exercise books. Now it is time to say goodbye. Khuda Hafiz.